In this section, I'm going to look at ways of protecting your presentation. So if I click on the File tab here, within the Info section, you've got this Protect Presentation icon. If you click on that, you can see there's 4 different items here. If you look at the first one, it says always open read only, so you can prevent accidental changes by asking readers to opt into editing. So let's look at this option first. I'll go and save this, I'll close it down, I'll reopen the file, and as you can see it comes up with this bar here that basically says, well, you can't edit at the moment. So let's try editing. Let's change this to XXX. Can't do it. Let's go to the next slide. Let's try and select this and delete it. Can't do it. So basically the document has been protected, however it's not fully protected. So up here you've got this edit anyway option. It does warn you it's been set as read only for a purpose, but if I do want to edit this document, I click here. So now I could change this. So for instance, I could change this to how does Google work? Then I can save the changes. So that's one option. It's basically by default a document will open as read only, but if you want to make changes, you can make changes. So I'll close this down. We'll open another document, and this time I click on the File tab here, click on Protect Presentation, and this time I'm going to select the second option, which is Encrypt with a Password. So I'll click on that. I have to put the password in, which is case sensitive, notice. So in this case I'm going to type in CHELTEN. So I've typed in the word Cheltenham, all in caps. Just for security reasons I have to re-enter that. So I've now done that. And if I go back here, I can edit the document any which way I want. So for instance, I could change this here. I can go and save this along with the changes. I can close it down, but when I try and reopen the document, I get this password dialog box. If I type in the wrong password, it won't let me open it. So I can try again. If I type in the right password, there you are, the document now opens. So in this case the document is totally protected. You can only open it once it's been saved by entering the correct password, which as I say is case sensitive. Now we're going to look at the other options. So I click on File, make sure the Info tab is selected, click on Protect Presentation. The third option is adding a digital signature. If I click on that, you have to go through the registration process to get a digital signature. I'll cancel that in this case, and we'll look at the fourth option, which is Mark as Final. If I click on that, as you can see, this presentation will now be marked as final and then saved. So I'm going to close this down and then I'm going to reopen it. And as you can see in this case, you've got this bar up here which says marked as final. The author has marked this presentation as final to discourage editing. So normally I won't be able to edit it. So if I change this to something else, I can't. If I want to, of course, I can click on Edit Anyway, at which point I can make changes as I see fit. So I could, for instance, go there and maybe change the colors. So those are the 4 different ways of protecting a document.